world's unbelievable underwater creatures. Who put the shell upon the turtle? Is he the best dressed creature in the sea? Who gave him floppy, flappy flippers? Who made you and me? Who made the stingray with his long tail? Who gave him such a shocking sting? Who stretched him flat out like a pancake? Who made everything? Who gave the seahorse such a long snout? Does it tickle when she needs to sneeze? Achoo! Who made her tail so curly-whirly? God made all of these. Who gave the jellyfish his tentacles? Do they tangle when he tries to dance? Who made his body all wibbly-wobbly? It surely can't be chance. Who gave the anglerfish her light bulb? Glowing like a shimmery, shiny gem. Who invented these amazing creatures? God made all of them. Who put all these creatures in the ocean? Who made their fins, their tails, their shells? Let's say thank you, God, for all his sea life, and wave them all farewell.